Today I'm going to be reviewing AOC's PC control. It also works with Switch 1, Switch 2, a few others. I'll put a list up there, but it does not work with Xbox Series or PS5. I'd like to thank AOC for sending this to me to review. This is what it looks like up close look. It even has a screen. I was easily able to hook this to my PC. Just had to set this for PC on here, hook it up to Bluetooth. But if you don't have Bluetooth, you can do 2.4 gigahertz, plug this into your USB-A, and this will connect to that. Or worst case, you can use a cord and connect it directly. So 3 ways to connect it, plenty of ways to customize the control. This is really premium, easy on off with a switch, or you can do it from the screen here. You can also lock your triggers if you want back here, and you have other ways to customize the controller with the buttons back here. You do have different RGBs. So you can go into the menu. So all you have to do is if you hold this down here, it's going to take you to the menu. I'll show you what that looks like right here. And as you see, you can choose pairing, you can choose the mode, settings, turbo. And from this menu, you can go to settings. You can control the brightness of your screen. You can also do, if you want it to vibrate, you can program everything. But every feature you need, I'm not going to go over how to program this all. Long battery life, 1000 mAh, so you're going to get up to 15 hours on a charge. Lots of great features. This has 5 stars out of 5, 137 reviews, and last month, November 2025, 800 plus of these were bought. So people are buying these. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.